Welcome, dear viewers, to a special journey into the tale of two worlds. In a world unlike our own, where day and night were not mere transitions but two distinct realms, there lived two extraordinary children, Luna and Sol. Luna hailed from the land of Nightshade, a realm cloaked in perpetual darkness, while Sol was a native of Daybreak, a world basked in eternal sunshine. Luna, with her ebony hair and sparkling silver eyes, had a deep affection for the starry nights and the mysteries concealed within the nocturnal beauty of Nightshade. She found solace in the soft glow of fireflies and the haunting melodies of night creatures. Luna had a quiet wisdom that belied her years, and her heart danced in the shadows. Sol, on the other hand, was a ray of sunshine in the world of Daybreak. With golden hair that matched the sunlit fields, he reveled in the warmth of the day and the vibrant colors that painted his world. Sol's laughter was infectious, and his energy was boundless, making him the life of every daytime celebration. One fateful day, as the worlds of Nightshade and Daybreak hung in perfect balance, Luna and Sol's paths converged at the threshold known as the Twilight border. It was a rare celestial event when a shimmering portal between their realms appeared, and the two children found themselves standing on the cusp of each other's worlds. Luna, her silver eyes wide with curiosity, extended a hand toward the boundary between day and night. Sol, equally intrigued by the enchanting darkness beyond, stepped forward to greet her. At that moment, their hands met in a gentle touch, and they felt an inexplicable connection, a bond between two worlds. Realizing the significance of their meeting, Luna and Sol decided to explore each other's realms. Luna was entranced by the vibrant landscapes, the radiant flowers that only bloomed during the day, and the jubilant festivals of Daybreak. Sol marveled at the bioluminescent flora that illuminated Nightshade, the tranquil lakes reflecting the starry skies, and the serene tranquility of Luna's world. The children's encounters ignited a sense of wonder and curiosity within their respective communities. The dwellers of Nightshade were captivated by the tales of Sol's laughter and the vibrant colors he brought to their world during his visits. Likewise, the inhabitants of Daybreak were enchanted by Luna's serene wisdom and the mesmerizing beauty of Nightshade's starlit nights. As Luna and Sol's friendship deepened, they yearned for something more, a way to unite their two worlds. Their quest for harmony led them to the legend of the Twilight Tree, a mystical entity said to hold the power to merge Nightshade and Daybreak into a single realm where day and night coexisted in perfect balance. Together, they embarked on a daring adventure, traveling through enchanted forests, crossing shimmering rivers, and encountering mystical creatures who aided them on their quest. Each step brought them closer to their goal, and their bond grew stronger with every shared triumph and challenge. Finally, after a long and arduous journey, Luna and Sol reached the heart of their worlds, where the Twilight Tree stood, bathed in the twilight's glow. As they approached the ancient tree, its branches reached out to embrace them, and a radiant light enveloped them both. In that moment, Daybreak and Nightshade merged into a breathtaking realm where the sun and stars shared the sky, where the colors of day blended seamlessly with the beauty of night. It was a world where laughter and wisdom, energy and serenity coexisted in perfect harmony. The merging of their worlds brought joy to the hearts of their people, who celebrated this newfound unity with grand festivals, where day and night danced together in a dazzling display of colors and lights. Luna, Sol, and their two worlds became a living testament to the idea that even the most disparate of realms could find common ground. They proved that unity, understanding, and the celebration of differences could create a world where the sun and stars shone together in eternal twilight. And so, the tale of two worlds became a cherished legend, reminding all who heard it that sometimes the most unexpected connections could bridge even the deepest divides, and in the union of night and day, there was a world of endless possibilities. Give intro and outro for YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enchanting tales. Thank you for joining us on this magical adventure.